So today we're going to be taking a look at the Quersus Vaos 502 computer chair, and we'll also be taking a look at the rest of the range. Now this video was sponsored by Quersus. They've sent me the chair for free to review for you guys, but of course I always give an honest review. So we're going to start with the unboxing of this chair. It is a bit bigger than I thought I would be with the packaging, and it is quite heavy, so hopefully it is going to be a good product. Now it says there, do not cut, so I'm going to cut this very carefully. Not as I normally would, but it does seem to be quite a slim line there, so I'm just going to put down it carefully. But obviously we don't want to cut the fabric in here. So very neatly packaged. You can see the first thing we've got here is the back of the chair. Nice design, it does look nice and comfortable. It is a very firm design as well. So if we take that out. Next in the box we have the headrest, and as you can see they do put the logo you want in a custom design. It's embroidered for you and they have done a pretty good job there. So next up we've got a mounting bracket. We've then got the base of the chair. We've got some instructions. Box in here I'm guessing with all the screws needed. Next up we have the bottom of the chair that we're going to be sitting on. And here we have the base that it should sit on. And we've also got a Quersus lanyard for anyone that would have use of that. So normally I'd probably just put it together without the instructions, but I don't want this to go wrong for the video, so I will be using them. So I'm going to put it in fast forward so you guys can see the construction, but it's going to be pretty similar to any other office chair. So we're going to quickly do that now. What I'm going to do now is use this for a week before I finish the review, and I'll let you guys know what I think. It's a very firm chair, but it's actually very comfortable at the moment, but I'll let you know what it's like with some long-term use. So I've now been using this chair for just over a week, and I have to say I really do like it. As well as it looking great, it's also very comfortable. It's a lot firmer than I'd normally go for. I've previously always gone for the very big soft padded chairs, but I have to say this does keep my posture a lot better. In terms of adjustments of the chair, there are plenty of adjustments, and also when it comes to the Quersus range, they do have different models for different size people, but we'll be going through that shortly. In terms of the adjustments though, we've got a lumbar support there, which is very useful, especially for those of you with bad backs. In terms of the normal up and down, there's a fair amount of movement there. Too big for me to go under my desk at that height, but I can drop down to this height here. The arms, of course, go up, go down, they can swivel inwards, swivel outwards, they also move forward and back. As well as that, you've got two buttons on the side where you can move them left and right, and of course the chair itself does lean back. So if I just show you here, those of you that want to lean back a lot, that is about maximum this one goes. Forward it goes to about there, so if those of you that like to sit very straight, that's as far as it does go. Personally that's a little too straight for me, so I drop back one and I normally sit at this angle. But the build quality does seem to be very good on this. I can't see it breaking anytime soon, and because it's nice and firm, I think it will help keep the leather intact. Also, we've got the custom logo here, which I really like, but that is removable. You can take that off and just have it as the normal seat. Personally, when I've been using it though, I do prefer the headrest, and when you're on the website, you can get this custom made with your own logo as well, which is great. So in terms of the chairs in this model, there's not really much else to say about it. It is built very well. All the stitching is very neatly done. Going around, the quality does feel very good. I wouldn't be expecting this to damage on me. My previous chair, I had it for about 12 months before I had to replace it, and I can really see this one lasting a lot longer. And the great thing about Quersus is their range come for different size people, different heights. You've got a choice of lots of different colours, so we'll go and take a look at that now. So for anyone that's interested in these, I've placed a link to their webpage down in the description below. On their webpage you'll see they've got a huge range of chairs and lots of choices of colour, so I'll leave the information down in the description below. But the EVOS range of chairs are for people between 1m60 and 1m80. The Vaos range of chairs are people between 1m70 and 1m85, and the GEOS chairs are for people above 180. And you've also got special edition and cushions, but all you do is select the range you want. So you can see Vaos 502, Vaos 501, Vaos 503. So this is the range I picked from, and as you can see, this is the one I got, but I got it in the blue color. So if you click it, it shows you a picture of what it will look like in that color. But the thing I like about their range is there's so many choices to choose from. If we take a look at another one, this is only available in 3 colors, but they are quite similar. If we go at the GEOS range, this is for the very tall people, but again, you can see a nice choice of colors, and they do also have some special edition models available. But as you can see, it does depend which one you pick. Some have a wide range of colors, some only have a few to pick from, and they've also got another cushion section if you want to make a custom cushion there. So as I said, the link's down in the description, the information on sizes is down there, but I do really like these chairs and I would highly recommend them to anyone. As always though, if you've got any questions about this at all, ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.